Next we have mammalian cell culture. So the techniques, the principles will be same like plant cell only. Here also we will provide all the nutrients, all the ingredients in the media, and we will allow the mammalian cells or the animal cells to grow in that media. So livestock breeding has used mammalian cell culture as an essential tool for decades. For breeding of different animals, we have been using this technology. So what we do, we used to take the egg and sperm. The egg and sperm taken from genetically superior bull and cows are united in lab, and the resulting embryos are grown in culture before being implanted in surrogate cows. So what we do, students, here we are taking, in mammalian cell culture, we are taking the egg from the female part and the sperm from the male part, and then these two, the egg and the sperm, both of them will be genetically superior, that is they are of good quality, and we will fuse them in lab. That is this process is called, when we are culturing in lab, this process is called in vitro process. So what we will do, we will take the egg and the sperm, we will fuse it in lab, and we will provide all the necessary condition that an embryo need to grow. Okay, we will provide that necessary condition in the media, in the lab, and we will allow it to grow into embryo. So once our embryo develops, we used to implant this, or we used to transfer this embryo into the surrogate cows. So surrogate cows, this is the female animal where we will transfer our embryo in it, and this surrogate cow will then give birth to the young ones. So see, students, here what we have done, we have taken the egg from female and sperm from male, and then we have fused them in lab. On fusing them, after fusing them, it used to give rise to embryo, right? Now the embryo, this embryo, once it grows in lab, now we are implanting this embryo into the surrogate mother. Students, can you see this image? These are called Petri plate or Petri dish. Here we used to culture our cells. So these are number of Petri plates. This is a single plate. This red color substance, it can be of different colors. These are the media or the ingredients that we are providing in the Petri plate. After that, we will put the cell in it and will allow the cell to grow in that media. So students, these cultures are done in very sterile condition, that is the environment should be very clean. We used to do it when we used to do it in lab, and moreover, if it gets contaminated, our cell culture will be spoiled. So we have to make sterile conditions so that other microbes are not entering into our media and is not contaminating it. So all these precautions are taken while culturing cell.